Today, I'm going to show you how to hide your activity maps in Strava so other users can't see where you've been running or cycling. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Strava application on your phone. Once it loads up, you'll see the main interface with several options at the bottom of your screen. Look down there and tap on the U tab. This takes you to your personal profile section where you can manage all your account settings and preferences. Now, once you're on your profile page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there, which is the settings button. Go ahead and tap on this gear icon. This opens up the main settings menu where you can control various aspects of your Strava account, including privacy, notifications, and display preferences. Once the settings menu opens, scroll through the options until you find privacy controls. This is the section that handles all your privacy-related settings, including who can see your activities and personal information. Tap on Privacy Controls to access these important security features. Inside the Privacy Controls menu, look for an option called Map Visibility. This specific setting controls whether other Strava users can view the maps of your activities. It's an important privacy feature, especially if you don't want people knowing your regular routes or where you start and end your workouts. Tap on Map Visibility to open up the detailed map privacy options. In the Map Visibility section, you'll see several options for controlling how your maps appear to others. Look for the option that says Hide your activity maps from others completely and tap on it. This is the most private setting available and ensures that no one except you can see the routes you've taken during your activities. After selecting that option, you'll notice a toggle button appears right beside Hide All Maps. This toggle is the final step in completely hiding your activity maps from other users. Go ahead and tap on this toggle to turn it on. Once you enable this toggle, all your activity maps become completely hidden from anyone viewing your profile or activities on Strava. And that's it. You've successfully hidden all your activity maps in Strava. Other users will still be able to see basic information about your workouts like distance and time, but they won't be able to view the actual roads you took. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.